Hey guys, so today I'm going to be telling you 5 things that I will never do on my hair again. Alright, so let's begin. Number 1 is using baking soda on my hair. Now before, when I took on the no poo challenge, meaning the no shampoo challenge, the alternative for cleaning your hair since you're not using any shampoo was baking soda. And they said that using baking soda on your hair can actually help exfoliate your scalp, make your hair shiny and clean, and also make your hair soft. Those are the claims that they put on the baking soda. And you guys, I believe the claims and I've tried it on my hair since I was doing that challenge, and never again, because it actually made my hair super dry and brittle and definitely not soft. So the whole baking soda technique has worked for you in the no shampoo method, then good for you, but for me, baking soda will never touch my hair again. Yeah, that was actually kind of low-key traumatic. Number 2 is using colored henna. Now, I used to dye my hair before with colored henna, and it actually just made my hair dry, and it didn't give me the color that I wanted on my hair when I was into dyeing my hair. But also, not just the coloring part, but I kind of feel like it changed the texture of my hair. It actually did not make my hair soft. So if I'm ever gonna dye my hair, I might as well dye it with the hair dye, okay? The chemical hair dye instead of the henna hair dye. That's just for me. I know for some people it works for them, and the henna one doesn't really last that long in the hair anyway. And through time, depending on what color that you put on your hair, it actually changes into this weird moss green brassy tint on the hair. So if I'm ever gonna dye my hair again, I am not gonna be using henna on my hair anymore. All right, number 3 is I will never detangle my hair when it's wet. Now, when your hair is wet, it's in its fragile state. So I actually find that if I detangle my hair when it's wet, I actually find a lot of little hair breakage after I comb or I brush my hair. And those little breakage can actually cause split ends. So for me, with my hair ritual, I let my hair completely dry, or at least 80% dry, and then I use my detangling spray from Kerotin, and then I detangle my hair that way. All right, number 4 is to do super tight braids like cornrows. Now, I'm not against braids. I actually like doing braids on my hair, but I have tried doing those really tight cornrow braids on my hair, and I find that it just actually gives me headaches and scalp aches that last for a long time. And maybe I just have sensitive scalp, but I'm never going to do that. I'm probably gonna do these types of braids right here on my hair. That is absolutely fine right there, but I would never ever do those tight braids because they can also cause traction alopecia. And lastly, number 5, I will no longer use stinky DIY ingredients such as onions or garlic. Now, onions and garlic are really great remedies for growing the hair and also preventing hair loss, and I know that that works for some people. However, when you use that, you have to just be aware that the scent is going to linger on your hair and scalp for a long period of time. But however, though, if you have no problems with it, especially with the scent, you can go ahead and use that. But what I'm saying is, I'd rather use DIYs that the scent is easy to remove on the hair. There's so many hair growth remedy DIYs alternative that I can use anyway, so I'd rather go for that. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments down below what are some things that you would never do, or hair care tips that you would never do to your hair again. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!